All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and read out all of the possible answers here because they're all kind of correct. So the answer is all of the above on this one, right? Concerning the free trade market, how do Marxists see capitalism and communism? So, capitalists attempt to manipulate non-capitalist countries to run a similar country. All right, that's true. Communist sets a balance to the global free trade market. That's also true. Okay, a pure capitalist country is highly unlikely. All right, so remember the term overproduction? Well, we discuss overproduction as a nation who overproduces and its individuals are unable to afford the goods, the produced goods here, right? So this is when capitalist fails, all right? It leads to a depression, right? And so a pure capitalist um, country is highly unlikely, or pure capitalist system. All right, it's very unlikely. All right, so concerning a free trade market, Marxists understand a pure capitalist globe is highly unlikely, and communists sets a balance to the global free trade market. Capitalists attempt to manipulate non-capitalist countries to run a similar economy. So let's discuss here this last sentence here. It says capitalists attempt to manipulate non-capitalist countries, also known as communist countries, to run a similar economy. So the United States has representatives who have discussions with Chinese representatives, and they say, "Hey, listen, I think that you should bump up your exportation prices and your importation prices just a touch, and it'll set the economy up for a couple more years. You understand? So capitalists attempt to manipulate non-capitalist countries like this. Well, communist countries are like, no, hey, listen, I'm gonna keep my prices low because I want my exportations high, right? So this is kind of a balance. Remember, so if there was a free trade global market, inflation will happen, overproduction will happen, under consumption may occur. All right, so a pure capitalist globe is highly unlikely. Okay, communist does sets a balance to the free trade market here, or the market itself. Okay, so capitalism and communism do go hand in hand. All politicians can agree that the market and that the globe itself will stay diverse. There's always going to be a mixture of socialism, communism, and capitalism.